The internet has revolutionized our lives. We shop, bank, and connect with people online. But this convenience comes with a dark side: credit card fraud. This invisible threat is alarmingly common. Cybercriminals are constantly devising new ways to steal your financial information. They can wreak havoc on your life. Understanding the methods and impact of credit card fraud is crucial in today's digital age. We need to protect ourselves. Credit card fraud is not a victimless crime. It causes significant financial losses for individuals and businesses. Victims often face the daunting task of resolving fraudulent charges. They spend countless hours trying to repair their credit scores. The emotional toll can be devastating. It is a constant reminder of the vulnerability we face in an increasingly interconnected world. Cybercriminals employ various methods to steal credit card information. Phishing attacks are common. You receive an email that looks legitimate. It might appear to be from your bank or a trusted online retailer. The email tricks you into clicking on a malicious link. This link takes you to a fake website. It is designed to steal your login credentials and credit card details. Be careful about clicking links in emails. Skimming is another method. Thieves use devices to steal credit card information. They attach these devices to ATMs or point-of-sale terminals. When you swipe your card, the skimmer captures your card details. Always inspect card readers for anything suspicious. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN. Data breaches pose a significant threat. Hackers target retailers, banks, and other institutions. They steal large amounts of customer data, including credit card information. This information is then sold on the dark web. You can't always prevent data breaches, but you can monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Real-life cases of credit card fraud underscore the devastating impact. In 2013, Target, a major retailer, suffered a massive data breach. Hackers stole millions of credit and debit card numbers. Customers faced fraudulent charges. Target paid millions in fines and settlements. In another case, a sophisticated phishing scheme targeted customers of a major bank. The attackers sent emails that appeared to be from the bank's fraud department. The emails warned of suspicious activity. They urged customers to click on a link to verify their accounts. The link led to a fake website designed to steal login credentials. Many people fell victim, resulting in significant financial losses. These cases highlight the importance of staying vigilant and taking proactive steps to protect yourself. Cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. We must remain informed about the latest threats. Protecting your financial identity requires a multifaceted approach. Start with secure payment methods. Use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security. Be cautious about using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured. Hackers can easily intercept your data. Regularly monitor your credit card and bank statements. Report any suspicious activity to your financial institution immediately. Consider using a credit monitoring service. These services alert you to any suspicious activity on your credit report. Take advantage of fraud alerts and credit freezes offered by credit reporting agencies. These tools can help prevent unauthorized access to your credit information. Stay informed about the latest credit card fraud trends and scams. Share this knowledge with your family and friends. By working together, we can create a safer online environment. Remember, protecting your financial identity is an ongoing process.